Hey y'all, hey, and welcome to my channel. This is your first time here, welcome. If you've already been on this channel, then hey boo, welcome back. And welcome me back, because it's been a minute since I dropped a video. Yes, I will admit that some of my videos that I have been dropping have been, older videos that I have not edited. And there is going to be another older video that I have not edited that I will be dropping soon. But look, charge it to my head and not my heart. So be busy. I be busy. I got a 9 to 5 outside of this, y'all, and it be dragging me. But my auntie asked me to do an eyebrow tutorial. So I look back through my channel, look back through my videos, and I realized it's been a minute since I dropped a detailed eyebrow tutorial. And my eyebrow routine has switched up. I do a couple new steps. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a detailed eyebrow tutorial. And this is my mirror right here. I have it close to me because y'all know I can't see. And I ain't put no contacts in because it's, what time is it? It's 8:57 on a Saturday and I don't feel like putting contacts in. So we are going to first start off with just brushing the eyebrows in place. And as y'all can see, I don't have a lot of eyebrow. Like, I can grow a lot of hair on my head. Like, baby, the scalp hair, it flourishes. But this eyebrow hair, like, my mom and my little sister have the perfect eyebrows, but me, baby, I got a snap of hair on my eyebrows. So it don't take too much for me to just, spoolie them, brush them up. This is it. I haven't plucked my eyebrows because I don't get them waxed and I don't get them threaded. I don't too much let anybody touch the upper region of my body. Can't touch my hair, can't touch my eyebrows. So I haven't had my eyebrows waxed. Last time I had my eyebrows waxed was in 2010. That wax broke me out all along here. Eyebrows was T, but I had bumps all under here. Couldn't do that again. So after that, I started tweezing my eyebrows. I have not tweezed my eyebrows since sometime last year. And it was a long time because I don't remember right off the top of my head. But they've been doing something. They ain't been growing a lot, but they've been doing something. So after I go in, and I just do a little, something. Just do my little 1-2 of brushing my eyebrows up. I then go in with this NYX the brow glue. And this is in their clear, transparent, no color. This is not the one that they have the color in it. I go in with the brow glue and I take it and I just go like this. And I've been really feeling the fluffy kind of brow look lately, because as you guys know, if you've been on my channel, I have hidden some of those older videos, but I used to do my eyebrows thin. Like, my eyebrows used to be thin, and even now sometimes my eyebrows can be thin, just depending on how I do them, because I only have a little piece of hair up here for my eyebrows. But yeah, sometimes my eyebrows, they be thin. And now that that is on, what I like to do is I have a little fan that I keep on my vanity, and I just go in like this, just to dry that product in a little bit. And now this is a crucial step in making sure that the eyebrows come out good. Next, I'm going to just take any brush. This is just a regular brush, and I just go like this with it, kind of rolling it on the eyebrow to make sure it stays in place. Kind of make sure that that product has laminated the eyebrows. And then once I'm done doing that, I'll go over it slightly with the spoolie and just kind of like brush all the hair in one direction. And now it's still drying, But you see the foundation, you see the base that I've laid down for, you know, making sure that the eyebrow hairs stay in place. Once I go in and fill everything in, it's already giving, you know, it's giving you what it's supposed to be giving already. So I'm just going to finish waiting for it to dry down a little bit more before I go in with the eyebrow pencil. Okay, so the eyebrows are ready. And y'all, the product that I have been loving on my eyebrows is the Lip Bar Exact Arch Micro Brow Pencil. The Lip Bar, baby, her products are immaculate. This eyebrow pencil, look, I keep them. I buy them every time. Well, you know how y'all kind of know how we feel about Target a little bit right now. But every time I would go on Target, I would buy eyebrow pencil because the Target in my area couldn't keep these on the shelf. And I see why. Baby, this is amazing. And the shade that I have is deep brown. And just look at that point. Look at how crisp that is. You know your eyebrows gonna be on point with when you just see how crisp the tip is. And on the bottom it does have a spoolie, so perfect for beginners, perfect for people that are just now getting into doing their eyebrows, and also perfect for travel. So what I like to do is I start down here, and I wondered if I have my mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna have my other little mirror right here because I don't want to keep looking, you know. Sometimes multitasking is a little too much. I be getting off track sometimes, but I like to start right at the bottom, right here in the front, and feather-like strokes. I'm not drawing. I don't just draw a line because that line can be harsh. So you want to start out by doing light strokes. And if you mess up a little bit, you know, you can always just take your little finger and do like that. And you see, y'all see how that line is already, y'all see how the shape is already forming. You already see how it's starting to fill in. Come on, stay with me. Then you're gonna come up here to the top, and when you start at the top, you're not gonna start right at the front like you did at the bottom. You're gonna start right here. And baby, don't ask me no math terms. Math was not a subject that I was really fond of, but baby, I know how to count that money up. But don't ask me halfway, 3/4 way, no. Just start right here. Don't start at the front, start right here. And again, you're gonna do the little strokes like you did at the bottom. And you see that? You see it? All right, now let's go to the other side and let's do the same thing over here on this side. And I forgot to mention, when I'm doing this, I am following the natural curve of my eyebrows. I'm not drawing on an extra shape. I'm actually following the natural curve of my eyebrows. This is how my eyebrows naturally arch, naturally curve. This is the natural, you know, of my eyebrows. So let me go ahead and do the top now. Okay, y'all see that? Y'all see how we got the, all right, that eyebrow is coming together. The eyebrow is coming together. Now, what we're going to do is start doing like little motions where you're flicking up into the areas where it's sparse. You're not necessarily shading in. You're not, you know, doing heavy drags. You're just flicking the pencil in those areas where, you know, you don't got that much hair. And then towards the front, you're going to flick the pencil up. And you're doing this lightly. You're not doing this heavy-handed, because you don't want no thick, blocky brows. That's ugly. That's not cute. That's not very mindful. It's not very demure. But y'all see how that eyebrow looks? I'm gonna flip it over and take the spoolie. That's why I love this pencil, because it has a spoolie on the bottom. And just go in. And this is going to blend out. If you got a little carried away or if you got a little heavy-handed, this is going to blend that out. And it's going to make everything seamless. It's going to make everything soft. Do y'all see how that eyebrow looks? What Tiana the lawyer said? Too good. So now let's go over here to the other side and do the same over here on this side, y'all. I need you guys to understand and need you to know when it comes down to doing your eyebrows is that your eyebrows are not going to be, you know, identical twin sisters. They're going to be fraternal twin sisters. Sometimes one eyebrow may be a little thicker than the other, but it's not going to be overly thicker. Like, it's not going to be, you know, super noticeable, but you're going to notice it because, of course, you're going to know your face and you're going to know your body. My right eyebrow always comes out better than my left eyebrow. That's just how it's always been ever since I've started doing makeup. Even when I used to just get my eyebrows waxed, this right eyebrow, she always gonna do good. The left eyebrow, she gonna do okay. So if you do notice that your eyebrows are not giving identical twin sister, it's okay. Calm down. I promise you it's gonna be okay. Now, to clean up my eyebrows, even though, you know, sometimes you may not need to clean up your eyebrows. Me personally, just to give it that crisp look, that extra oomph, I like to clean up my eyebrows. And if I'm not wearing any makeup, then I will actually, like any eyeshadow or any other face makeup, then I will use a foundation. And my favorite foundation to use is the Maybelline Fit Me. This is my holy grail foundation right here, because this is one of the first foundations that I started off with when I started doing makeup. She's never done me wrong. So I either start off with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation if I'm not wearing any makeup and I'm just doing eyebrows for that day. But since I'm going to be putting on eye makeup, I go in with a concealer that is a shade, this is probably, yeah, a shade lighter than my skin tone. And this is the Lip Bar Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer in the shade Cinnamon. And I'm going to use this to clean up my eyebrows. Now, I like to take a flat brush. And this, I got this brush off of Shein. Yeah, I got this brush off of Shein. And really good quality brush. I like to take a brush like this. And I like to just go in on the tip of the concealer applicator, and I pick some up, and then I like to start, I'm gonna try to do it with this mirror. I like to start right here. And again, I'm not gonna just drag it right across because I like to make sure that I'm keeping everything, you know, neat and in perfect harmony. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but it made sense to me in my head. I like to just kind of, you know, do kind of the same strokes that I did with the pencil, but with the concealer, just to make sure that I don't mess up and go into the eyebrow. Bam. And then I just go down like this. And I hope that perfect harmony metaphor worked out or made sense to you guys, because when you're doing your eyebrows, you're trying to make sure, you know, you are bringing some type of perfect harmony to the fold when you're doing your eyebrows, because you're doing perfect harmony for your face. And then I always take like a fluffy blender brush. This is a concealer brush from the Everything Dollar store or the Everything $1.25 store. And I just like to blend that concealer in, because you don't want to have a harsh line of concealer just up here on your eyebrows. I don't know if you guys remember when people used to get concealer that was like 10 shades lighter than their skin, and they used to put it down here and up top. Hey, I was guilty of that at one point in time. Don't judge me, judge your mama. I ain't doing that no more. I have learned my lesson. But yeah, you don't want to have that just block of concealer, that little line of concealer up under your eyebrows. That's again, that's not cute. You just want to blend it in. Now, if you are somebody who wants to clean up the top of your eyebrow, I would consider using a foundation the same shade as your skin. Don't use a concealer that is a shade lighter than your skin. Use a foundation the same shade as your skin, preferably the foundation that you're going to be putting all over your face if you're doing a full face of makeup, just to make sure that everything blends seamlessly and that there are, you know, no halo brows when you're taking pictures that have flash photography. That's just a little tip. So I'm about to go in and I'm about to get some more concealer just to do the other side of this eyebrow. Say for instance, you went in and you got a little too crazy with the concealer, or you went in and you accidentally hit, like, let's say the beginning of the eyebrow or a little place in the eyebrow. Just go in with your pencil and just do a little fix, you know, a little quick little cover up, quick little fix, just to make sure that your eyebrows are on point. And this is the completed eyebrow tutorial, you guys. Remember, do not be so hard on yourself if your eyebrows do not come out perfect. You know, at one point in time, my eyebrows did not come out perfect, I swear. I'll enter some pictures right here so you guys can see that at one point in time, my eyebrows used to look horrible, baby. Sometimes I can't even believe that the people that love me used to let me walk around with eyebrows like that. I can't believe that I allowed myself to walk around with eyebrows like that. So, do not be hard on yourself if you're just now starting out with doing your eyebrows. I promise you. I know you guys hear it all the time. You hear from your teachers, all, you know, responsible adults in your life, that practice makes perfect. It's true. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing, and I promise you, you will get it. And if you need tips, always come back to my channel, because I'm here to give you tips and I'm here to help you along the way of your makeup journey, okay? I want to say thank you guys for coming through, liking my video. If there are any other, you know, makeup help tips that you guys want, leave it down below in the comment section and I will get to it. Like I said, my auntie asked me to do an eyebrow tutorial, and baby, one thing about it, all my auntie got to do is just ask once and I'm gonna do it. I got you, girl. I got you. I got you. We're gonna get these eyebrows together for the 2025, okay? Okay. But again, I want to thank you guys for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. I thank you guys for being patient with me as I push out this content, because I promise you I'm going to get better. I promise. Charge it to my head, not my heart. But I promise I'm going to get better with putting this content out, okay? So go ahead and follow me on all other socials. Every link to every social media that I currently have is going to be down in the description box below. Those are going to be the links to my actual page. Any other page is not me. If you do see another page, it's not me. If it's linked down in my social, those are my pages. So make sure that you go give me a follow on those other sites. And again, thank you for coming through and watching my video. Okay? Okay. Bye.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite.